The first rule of rebuilding from nothing. Previously on the rebuild, I lost everything I built. I broke down how centralized systems can wipe you out overnight, why crypto exists, and why founders need financial optionality just to survive. Then I introduced a new playbook for building resilient businesses. But that raises the real question. Where do you actually start when you have nothing? When you lose everything, your first instinct is to rebuild fast. That's exactly how most people fail again. Because when you're starting from zero, speed is not your advantage. Clarity is. And that's the painful truth. The first rule of rebuilding from nothing is simple. Don't rebuild what you had, rebuild what actually works. Those are two completely different things. Most people lose something and immediately try to recreate it. Same model, same structure, same dependencies, just hoping for a different outcome. But if it collapsed once, you have to ask yourself a hard question. Was it ever actually strong, or did it just look successful? That's what I had to face. Because rebuilding the same system that failed me would just be repeating the same mistake with more effort. That sounds like insanity to me. So this time, I'm doing it a bit different. I'm not starting with a business idea. I'm starting with control, flexibility, and survival. Because before you make money, before you scale, you need a foundation that can't collapse the moment something goes wrong. So in the next episode, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm starting from zero. No investors, no safety net, just a $0 blueprint. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss it.